Hey guys! So you know how over the holidays you have to wrap like a million gifts? I think that we can make that creative and fun experience. So I'm gonna teach you how to do a DIY gift wrap that's cute/chic, and it's also a really fun activity you can do with your friends or your family if you're trying to get into those holiday vibes. So the first thing you want to do is have a normal shaped box, and you want to make sure that the length of your gift wrap covers the entire box, and then for the sides you're going to have gift wrap that's just a little bit longer. After you measured out your paper, you're going to tape it down onto the table. So the next thing you want to do is pick out your paint colors. So for mine, I'm doing 3 different greens and then a neon pink for the accents, but you can do whatever colors that you want. So you're going to take a medium-sized paintbrush and we're going to start painting our trees. I'm going to show you 3 different styles of trees and they're all really easy. Remember that none of this has to be perfect, and it looks better when it's not perfect. For the first style I'm going to show you, you're going to pick one of your greens and we're just going to do a simple triangle and then another triangle right below that one. And you can add on a third or a fourth. We're going to stick to 2 or 3. Then for the second style, it's literally just a triangle. And the fourth one is a swoop on this side, a swoop on this side, and then right below those is another swoop and another swoop. We can have one more in the middle, but that's it. So when we paint our trees, remembering to keep them sort of smallish and close together. The second you feel bored, just switch your green. That's what I do. So we're gonna switch to our second green, keeping it going in the same way that we've been doing it so far. So we're gonna go to our third green and keep it going with the trees. Have patience, it's gonna all be worth it in the end. So the next step is you're gonna take your accent color, and I'm using neon pink because it's my favorite color, but you can do this with any colors you want. What you're going to do is just paint in some hearts in the empty spaces, and it's fun to add little hearts on top of the trees, like as the tree topper. You can also mix in some stars if you feel crazy, and also add in some little dots on the trees, and those will be the ornaments. Any empty space you see, fill it with something fun. The next step is we're going to define our shapes on our trees with a black Sharpie outline. After you're done with that, you're ready to wrap your gift, and that's the best part because you see it all come together. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you learned something and that you tried out yourself. Please subscribe to our channel, American Dream House, and follow us on Instagram because we have so much fun stuff coming out really, really soon.